Hi, Teza Fatima. Where are you going today? Your mood is not good, I think. Tell me. Baby, your mood is not fine today? No, why? What happened?
My mood not fine.
Oh, why your mood is not good? On your insist, we are coming for a morning walk. Now happy?
Dada. Dada.
Say hi to everyone.
Dada.
Baby, look at here. Say hi to everyone. There's a Fatima. Hey, mom called you. Jaza. Oh my god. Still, she really don't want to stop here. She just like to move on. We are moving. But it's also good for health. We oftenly come here because it is very near to our residence apartment. But oftenly come here because we are not a early riser. But mashallah, it's very beautiful. I hope all will like it too much. Hi, she's jogging, running. Mashallah. Jada Fatima, come. I will show you the birds. Come with me. What?
I'm here. See the birds.
Beautiful girl. Jada Fatima, say good morning to everyone. Mashallah. Start, okay. Come this side. Honey. Yeah, so many trees. It's heavy. Oh. What happened? Why you put her bag? No, don't put her bag in the stroller again. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Monkey, see, my baby is running. You can see, okay, monkey? She advised to monkey to sit here and see her. She's running. Gaza. Now tired? No. Tell me. Where are you going? Don't go that side. Are you tired now? Tell me. No? Okay.
Fast.
Carefully. Slowly. No. Jada, stop. Jada, stop. Wait. Come this side. There is some water here. Moving back.
I'm going from here back.
I believe we should go back.
I'm really running now.
You can run that side.
That's right.
That side, yeah.
That's right.
Yes. Kiev's okay. He's gardening.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cutting the plants to make it, yeah, to make it good and healthy.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, let's run fast.
I run fast.
Are you thirsty?
I know. I'm running now.
Do you want to drink water? This side, this side, this side. This, yes. Yes. Now, tired? Take a breath, no? Okay.
And Jaza, please meet with your friends.
Wait a minute.
Yeah,
Yeah, there.
there are your friends.
So my friend.
Yeah. There. Jaza.
Straight.
How to do? Say hi.
Come, baby. Jada Fatima, come. See?
Wait lang mana, wait lang.
Little baby. Say hi to little baby.
Say hi.
How beautiful, mashallah.
How old is he?
2.5.
2.5.
Yeah.
Lisa is same like Lisa, right?
Lisa 2 and 8 months.
Oh.
A
Yeah.
little bit. 2 months.
Very, very close, huh?
Yeah. But you're taller
Okay.
boy. Taller boy.
She's a girl.
Oh no, sorry.
It's okay.
Sorry.
It's all right. Jada Fatima, say bye. Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, same to you. Now happy, Dada? Dada Fatima? See dog, it's very big. Oh. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Dada Fatima, say hi. I'm also a little bit frightened.